Holding it right this time. Congratulations, Jimmy. I know you've been trying. To get it right. By golly, you got it. Since I found this tiny bird that makes those bird sounds all the time, I just knew I was bound to take it in and make it my own. You know, I think it could be our mascot. The mascot. The mascot of our Fluff and Fold laundry service. Tweety Bird's Fluff and Fold. What do you think? You want to do it for us? You'll be our mascot, buddy? I think he's up to the task, Jimmy. Oh, this is the best idea you've ever had. Well, I can't take all the credit. The bird was the one dying in the street. I just said, go get it. With your help, I nursed him back. Learned to hold him correctly. The unsuspecting customers' cashmere sweaters kept him warm.
Hi. Can I please sign?
Cashmere sweater, right?
Yes. Does that man just spit off my sweater?
They get excited here. Tweety Bird Fluff and Fold. It's on a hanger.
Oh, that's a hanger.
Yeah, I was just hanging it up back there. Came fresh out of the
Bird?
what bird?
Thank
I think she's fine. Yeah, seems good. I was just thinking about the consequences of having an animal in our business. I was thinking about about PETA, and the zoo, and all the people that are going to want this bird back. Maybe.
Look, that was a one-time thing. Howie Pitbull's pizza delivery service was a tragedy, we all know that.